So hello guys, this is me again, Rohan Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. My today vlog is making a barbecue. The last summer here in Germany. Oh my god, the beautiful weather. But now, ayan guys. So the last day of summer, we're going to make a barbecue. Ayan. So guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Oh, beautiful weather. Ayan, last summer na here in Germany, and this is my lemon. You see, there's my banana there. So next month, for sure, all my plants there, we're going inside. Oh, I put inside because it's cold na. It's starting getting cool, and winter is coming. So there we go guys. Oh, it's yummy. Ayan. So this is our last barbecue this month. So maybe we're going again December. The barbecue December. Ayan. They have a hot dog, chicken, egg, and ayan. This is the ente, the duck, guys. Ayan. Para, and also for the dog. So ayan, kanin dog, weather outside, yung. And this is for the dog, guys. Ayan. The big dog, duck. Diba? Bonggit. So ayan guys, by the way, I cook also. I will prepare the rice. Rice is combination for the barbecue. Ayan. And of course, I prepare now ready the table. Ayan guys, I will show you the rice, what I did, what I cook. Ayan, I show guys. It's like a biryani rice. But I put only very simple. You see? Oh, yummy, di ba? Oh my gosh. Yung mga kalindog. Di ba? Oily siya. Ayan. You know, the biryani rice is, I love it. Di ba? So, ayan. Di ba? Later, we will eat with barbecue that. Ayan, weather outside, of course. And ready na ang ating table. For two. And of course, Victoria and Douglas are waiting also for them barbecue. O, di ba? Victoria can wait. Oh my god guys, almost done. Only this batch and then finish. Here we go, the hot dog. My favorite. Oh, diba, yummy. Ayan, we have already two types of barbecue. There's all the meat and here all the chicken. This chicken with chili. So yan guys. Still have. And more. You see, there we go. Another one. OMG. Look, yummy na. And ayan. They are waiting here. Oh, they're waiting. Oh, diba? So, there we go, guys. Ayan, for the dog is ready. Ayan, let's cut na for them. Ayan, Victoria and Douglas and Lucky will gonna be happy. And look, guys, they're smelling. Ayan, they really wanted na. Oh, let's cut it. Let's try it. This is for the dog. Ayan, mga kalindog. That's good. Look at guys, oh, half cooked. Ayan, this is the duck for the dog. O, diba? Duck siya. O, diba? It's look yummy. There we go. Ayan, Victoria and Douglas and Lucky are very satisfied for this, for sure. Ayan, mga kalindog. Really? So, gawin na natin sila para kainin ni Victoria and Lucky and Douglas. So, let's cut na. Guys, ayan. Cut natin siya. So, wait. Ayan, guys. Oh, I cut like this. Kasi we need to cut a very, manipis. Ayan, very tiny. It's a bit tiny. Dahil, you know the dog, they swallow very quick. So, it's not good for them. Health. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Kailangan nating cut ng like a square. Ayan. Diba, guys? So, ayan, guys. O, I cut already. Pero, it's better I use the scissor. Mas very easy. Ayan. So, easy. O, diba? Kasi they need that. They swallow very easily. Ayan. You know my dog, especially Victoria, when she eat that kind of barbecue, mga kalindog, she really swallow easily. So that's why you need to be careful. Kasi sometimes, kung hindi mo siya, or you don't cut tiny, it's not gonna digest to them stomach. Sometimes ay nakakaroon sila ng diarrhea. So that's why better you cut like this. Ayan, di ba? Oh, ayan. Napak na sa kanila. So there we go, guys. O, di ba? Ayan. So, ready na ang kanilang food. So, guys, let's wait my. Ayan, mga kalindog. Almost done na tayo. That is the last. Ayan, diba? Oh, yummy. So, my favorite. You can eat that until tomorrow morning. O, diba? With the fried rice naman. Ayan. Can we, guys? So, ayan, guys. Almost ready. My barbecue. I'm hungry now also. So, let's prepare now the table with rice. Guys, they are also excited with them food. Diba? Kanilang barbecue. So, ayan. Wait, ha? This is for Lucky. And this is for Victoria. Bate, Vicky. And this for Douglas. So, yay. Vicky, Lucky, and Douglas. So, enjoy your barbecue, guys. Ayan. At of course, ayan naman ang amin. There we go, mga kanindog. Oh my God, with rice and barbecue. So, I think I need the things. So, ayan guys, let's eat. Ready na ang ating. Oh my God, be careful. Ating rice and this. So, ayan, my favorite hot dogs, of course. Diba? And Maggi. Maggi Sabor. And I want this. Where's the one? Ayan, this chicken with cheese, guys, inside. So let's taste na. Ayan, with Maggi. Good. So ayan guys, almost done. I eat all and this all, you see. So I enjoy too much my lunch with barbecue. Last bite. So there we go guys, I'm done eating, ayan. But they have a lot of rest. One, and also here, because it's too much, ayan. That is all the leftover, ayan. And of course, ang ating rice. But don't worry guys, we're going to eat this tomorrow or until 2 days, ayan no? Only tomorrow. So ayan guys ha, thank you for watching and don't forget to smile. I hope did you enjoy my video. Bye Kevin, bye Bakerstock, ayan Jason, and all of you my members, Marvin, thank you, and of course who else, ayan Hector, and all my members. I don't know you, but I will make you a video sometime. So bye guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. Bye.